How to fix your HomeKit not responding. So this error usually means your smart device has lost connection with your Wi-Fi network or hub, even the home app. So a few things you can put in mind to potentially stop this from happening. You're going to start by checking your device that is powered on properly, maybe your speaker or your Alexa. Make sure it's powered on. There's going to be indicator lights you can take a look at to make sure it is properly turned on. Then make sure you're connected to the same network or Wi-Fi as your iPhone or iPad or wherever the app itself is. Then restart the smart device, your router, and then the controlling Apple device to refresh the connection. You should also make sure your Apple device is updated to the latest iOS version and that the Home app has permission to access your network. Another common cause is a problem with the Home Hub, such as Apple TV or HomePod, which manages remote access and automation. Try restarting the hub or ensuring it stays connected to the internet. If the device still says not responding or the similar error, you can try removing it from the Home app and just add it again. So however you added the device the first time, you're gonna just do the same thing to try doing a reconnection. Then, in some cases, moving the device closer to your router or even just switching to a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network can also help restore your communication. But those are a few things you can put in mind, just a short explanation if you're having this HomeKit not responding error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.